Pero, I think I kind of expected the judge's decision na may na magiging kuan siya. I don't know what's the right term, impartial or what's that. Pero dili ko siya expected to one at the same time because yung sabi ni Talala, the CA's, the Court of Appeals decision kay maupay na latag ang statement nila na there's no enough evidence linking the two Ate Maria and Ate Frenchie to the CPP and PNDF. And then we hear na convicted sila sa financing terrorism. Nag-isa sa saksi ni Talala na to si Mama. At is worried daw, worried for me. Una niya ginyakan dahil kan Mama kay masukay. But tapos nayakan ni Tita Lala na si ate daw at siguro malakas ang nakusog ang pagtuog. Naghigbigan to kay kabating na convicted sila sa financing terrorism. Pero I'm still optimistic na sana mag-grant ang petition for bail because already paid 6 years. They already stole 6 years of Ate Mariel and Ate Frenchie and Kuya Chokoy's lives. So that's already half of the sentence if they are really convicted of the charges against them.